Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to delete a clan in Clash of Clans. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. First of all, go to your Clash of Clans app. Now click on the settings. Now click on help and support button. Now click on account button. Now click on contact us button. Click on message us button. Click on others. Now click on delete my data. So this is how you delete your clan account. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.